this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your vocal range. So let's sing something. La la la. Maybe you have an audition coming up, or you just kind of want to know, what is my vocal range? How high can I sing? How low can I sing?
What does this all mean?
Well, I'm going to go over 3 really easy hacks for you to figure out what your vocal range is, and then write it down so then you have it for like the future. Hack number 1, sing as high as you can. So I want you to take an app. There's a million apps online. Just pick one that has a piano that has the names of the keys on the piano, because that's going to come in handy. You're going to start somewhere that's comfortable for you. Usually females, a comfortable starting note is a C4, and then for a male, a comfortable starting note is around an E3. So you're going to start from that note and you're going to sing all the way up as high as you can to find out your highest range. I suggest doing this with an ah vowel, with your mouth open, tongue down, jaw extended. And if I just went through that really fast, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a link to a video where I teach you how to properly open your mouth into that ah vowel to get as much out of your range as possible. But let's assume that you know how to open your mouth on that ah and you've downloaded the app. We're gonna start on that C4. Ah. And then on this one I have to kind of slide over a little bit. Ah. That's an F6. So if that's the highest of my range, yay! I'm an F6. Hack number 2, check your lowest note. So we're gonna do the exact same thing that we did for your highs, but we're gonna do them in your lows. So let's start on the same note, but now I'm just gonna move my finger down the scale. I don't know if I have that last one, but let's just say that I do. B2. So now I know that my range is, what was that? An F6? An F6 to a B2. Yay! Hack number 3, clean it up. So you know what your range is on a really good day, but it's not necessarily the range that you'd want to put down when you're writing down, let's say, for an audition. My B2 that I can hit here, it's very rocky. What you're gonna do is go to your lowest low note that you wrote down and your highest high note, and you're gonna just trim it up a little bit. Ooh, that's not that bad. Decently stable with it, holding the note. I would say an E3 would be where I would be in my low range, because it's where I'm comfortable. And then heading all the way up. Woo, we were way up there. So from there, you're gonna approach the note. That one seemed decently strong. That's an E6. So I would say my strength range, if I'm testing it this way, would be that E6 all the way down to, I don't remember what I said before, E3. And that's my vocal range. Click here to watch my video about how to properly open your mouth to get as much as you can out of your vocal range. If you're new to singing, you want to improve your voice fast, then you're going to click this playlist here and come and join me in my Facebook group, because we do fun stuff. Link is down below. I will see you in the next song. La la la.